Ready? Oh. Go! She did it! Uh-oh. Oh no. What happened? Douglas, did she fall down? Here, Douglas, your turn. Ready? Set.
Sit.
Go! Nice. Daddy, your turn again? Honey, maybe you should not wear boots while you do that. You're not working very well, huh? Honey. Oh, Nina. Can Nina have a turn, Dottie? Nina's turn. Ready, set,
Sit. Go.
Yay, Nina! Careful, You're not walking. Uh-oh, you're wrong. Honey, what happened? What happened, baby? Nice move. Good work, Douglas. Dottie, ready? You want to get up? You want to turn again? Okay, here we go. Okay. Here she goes.
Ready? Yes.